Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by setting balance and intent. Stand with 1/2 weight on your front foot and a slightly bent knee so you can explode. Look and move your head to sell the fake. The defender reacts to where you look. Take a controlled two-step approach at about 60–80% of max speed to keep momentum manageable. Once done, commit the upper body to the fake while keeping the ankles ready. This creates believable deception and a quick platform to shift direction. Now you execute. Drop your shoulder and lean upper body sharply for about 0.25 to 0.5 seconds to convince the defender you'll go that way. As they bite, plant your outside foot firmly and set up a roughly 45 degrees exit angle. Use a toe push combined with rapid hip rotation to unweight the inside leg and drive into your new direction. Make sure to keep the ball close. That contact lets you change direction instantly and preserve top-end speed. Finish the move by driving the first 3 strides hard to create separation and commit to the new lane. Stay low in your center of gravity so you remain stable when accelerating and can absorb contact if needed. If the defender doesn't commit to the fake, don't linger. Immediately reset with a quick one-touch pass or a second feint to the opposite side, because hesitation kills momentum. If your plant slips, check footwear and shorten stride length. Stability wins over fancy flair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.